Hello guys, welcome back. As you see, this is Android Moding coming up to you with this video on how to hack Subway Surfers Cairo. So let's get started. Before we get started, these are the things you must need. Um, Subscribe and like the video. That's all we need. Um, yeah, it's kind of funny, but yeah, that's all we need. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is you want to open your Metro. Then you want to go to this link right here. The link will be on the description. So what you want to do is you want to see this big orange thing that says download now. So then what you want to do is you want to click that. And then you're going to see at the top of your phone, it's going to say Subway Surfers Egypt. That's the name of it. Um, okay. So you're going to let it download. So after it downloads, let it just a second to download. Guys, after it downloads, what you want to do is you want to install it, and then after you install it, um your Subway Surfers will be hacked. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Again, I hope you like my video, and keep in touch.